Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to generate 16 by 9 landscape image in Gemini Nano Banana, even though it doesn't always follow aspect ratio request correctly. Like if you have ever asked for a landscape image and then still got a square or vertical one, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, just open Gemini. And then the trick is to use a blank image as an aspect ratio reference. By uploading a blank image with a 16:9 size, Gemini will follow that ratio when generating the final image. First just prepare a blank image. It can be any color like maybe white, black or gray, as long as the size is landscape or landscape or landscape or 16:9. Like this. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your image like this. And then now you have two options. You can upload an existing photo to change its ratio, or you can create a brand new image from scratch. And in this tutorial I will create a new image. Just type a prompt to create a new image. For example, you can type like this. For example like this, and then just add this important sentence at the end of your prompt like this. Make the uploaded blank image as reference for the final aspect ratio like this. And this line tells Gemini to follow the 16:9 layout from the blank image, and after that just simply hit generate like this. And okay, like this, as you can see, the result is proper 16:9 landscape image. And okay, maybe that's it. This simple method will help you get accurate landscape images every time in Gemini Nano Banana. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.